I called you all to inform you of my latest decision. Yes, I have decided to crown the prince. And I came up with a date. And that should be the last hour of this month. Oh no. Please. I would like you and Chief Ume to handle this arrangement. I need a progress report. Huh?
Igwe, that is the best decision to take. In fact, the entire kingdom will be very happy if they hear this. Igwe Maria!
Thank you. It's a very good decision.
But if I may ask, which of your sons are you planning to crown the Isiaka?
My first son, of course, Prince Ikem. Or do you have any problem with that?
At all, not at all. Brighten up your face. It's a good thing. Hey, you will let the merriment start now. Oh no!
Wait, in that case, Mejenkwo Uti, Nkwago Uti. You watch out. Yeah, I like it. I like it.
Yes, I got for you.
Is that not that same guy that I saw the other day? What is he doing here? And that place is going. There's no house there. Does it mean there are strangers in this community? Should I follow him? No. Let me.
Yes, we are the cabinet members. And it is our collective responsibility to make sure that the king does not make this mistake. Especially in an issue like this. Yes. If we allow this, it is going to spell doom. We don't need to fold our hands. As a no Kenya no.
Oh no, Wucheruko. This happened far back. But right now, Kenya no.
If we allow this to happen, we will suffer it, and the entire kingdom will equally suffer it. You should have said it before him. You should have said it before him. You people are talking as if you don't know our king. You know him very well. He is someone that does not entertain correction while the meeting is going on. Neither does he listen to advice. He don't. How many times have I said this to him? I have said it to him countless times. Yes, DK is the rightful Isiaka, not what he is doing.
Oh no. Let us not start what we cannot finish.
It's again.
Let us not start what we cannot finish. These boys is his son. It is his decision. It is his decision to choose who will replace him when it's normal.
Meaning, he doesn't give us a pack.
No, I heard side talk.
Na bezi.
Okwu ifuru okwu a na-ekwu n'azụ. Ma ọ bụ okwu a na-eme ọ na-agba m agba. I will raise this topic when next we will have meeting.
Okamma.
What are you people saying? What are you trying to say?
Okwu a mma ewelite okwu a mgbe ọzọ anyị ga-enwe nzukọ.
Let me ask this question. Are we his cabinet members?
You know Uzaya.
What I'm saying is that we are his cabinet members, and this very decision should be taken collectively, not individually. Can you maybe if
Ijuru ajụjụ a ịsakwana ya. Ọ dị mma otu ahụ.
Oh no. Taken collectively.
Not individually.
Collectively.
Yes, I mean.
Oh no, collectively.
Not individually.
Oh no, it can never be collectively because someone has the will.
Raise it in the next meeting.
Okwu a.
Raise it in the next meeting.
Ka m na-agaghị ekwu ya ihe dị bụ okwu eme.
Okamma.
Who is there? Oma.
Yeah, who is there?
It's me.
Hold on, I'm coming.
Oma, how are you?
I'm fine, customer.
I hope you're good.
I'm good, how are you doing?
I came to buy something at the shop and the shop is closed.
Don't mind me. You know today is weekend, so I just want to do some cleanup.
Does it mean that the street boys no go shy you today? Huh?
Customer, don't worry. I'll open in the evening. I'll make it up to you. Just calm down. I'll open in the evening.
In the evening?
Yeah.
Okay, let me see if I'll come in the evening. Okay, no problem. I'll try my best in the evening. I hope you're good.
Yeah, you know you're my best customer,
No problem. No, I'll come,
Right.
Mama, take good care of yourself, okay?
I'll see you.
One love,
Bye.
I don't get it. Why are we so lenient about this? Why are we not doing anything about this? A stranger walks into the palace to take what rightfully belongs to my brother, and we're expected to just fold our arms and do nothing? Really?
You see, these are the questions only Father can answer.
But who will be bold enough to ask Father those questions?
We are no longer kids. Just because Father doesn't like us doesn't mean we have to become slaves under the watch of Prince Ikem. It is not done. Not under my watch would he take what rightfully belongs to my brother.
Never. I will be bold enough to ask Father those questions.
I'm sorry. DK, are you sure you can do this?
100% sure. You see, you guys are ladies. Father may not take you guys seriously, but I am the man, the first son, Abia State first son. I will not sit here and watch somebody all of a sudden come and claim what belongs to me. I cannot lose my right for any fool. I will take what belongs to me by fire, by force.
That is what I am talking about. You can't just sit down and do nothing. Fight for your right, and we, your sisters, are going to fight solidly behind you.
Good. Good.
Yes. So in that case, we need to inform Mom about this.
No. Mother will hear from us in the meeting.
Whatever that comes out of this, we will take it by the horn. Let's take the bold step first.
It's my time to shine. It's my time to shine. Yo, it's my time to shine.
Who called for this meeting and why?
I called for this meeting, Father. I called for this meeting because I want us to come together as one big happy family and settle our differences.
Did you just say one united family? Did I hear you say that?
Yes, ma'am. I want a situation whereby I can genuinely hug my sister. I want a situation whereby I can comfortably leave my drink open where my brother is. I want us to come together, be together, share together in love, peace, harmony. I want us to be one big, united, happy family.
That is a welcome development, my son.
Thank you, Father.
Anybody that thinks about the development and the betterment of this royal household is speaking my mind. Go ahead, my son.
Objection! I called for this meeting.
You did?
Oh, yes.
Yeah, but no meeting. Hey!
I called for this meeting and not this coward here. Shut up your mouth. I am not done talking. Father, I cannot sit here and watch this fool, this imposter, steal my show. It is not possible.
Listen, you're suffering from complex. Because this your childish behavior is getting on my nerves. Is this necessary? Like, is this necessary? What are we fighting for?
Unnecessary.
Can the factory?
Where did you leave your manners? Did you drop your manners?
I have lost my manners, Father.
Okay.
I lost my manners the very day I realized that being obedient in this palace is a waste of time. I lost my manners the very day I realized that thieves can actually come to this palace at night and steal from the rightful owner. And in case you don't know, Father, I have a series of questions to ask you.
Ask your question.
I want to know what is going on in this palace. What is my right? My position? I am the Abia State first son. I want to know what is going on. Lately, you've changed. You no longer show love, no care for my family and I. You hate us so much hatred. Why? I want to know here now, are we not royalties anymore? Are we not?
Answer now.
Who calls this man? Who is he? I want to know who is this boy? Kilo Shele Gongo? Huh? Father, tell me, in fact, tell us, why have you chosen this boy over me? Your true prince.
Answer him, he's asking you. Answer.
Why? I want to know everything here and right now.
Woman, tell me, what have you been feeding my children with? You are training my children against me, instigating my own children against me. You are instigating my liar. You are a compulsive liar. I know you more than you know yourself. Oh, is that your game plan?
Father, Mother do not know anything about this meeting. Like I said before, I single-handedly called for this meeting. And I am tired of being humiliated in my father's house. I am tired of everything. And here now, I want to know my position in this palace. Prince Dike is no longer the small boy you used to know. I have changed. Completely. My mother, my siblings now regard me as Abia State first son.
Yes.
If you don't know that, know it now. What is going on?
Father, why don't you please answer his questions? At least it is his right to know.
I owe nobody no explanations. And as far as I am concerned, as far as I'm your father and the king in this kingdom, Ikem remains my first son. And that is final.
Did you hear that?
I heard him loud and clear.
Did you hear what your husband, your so-called husband, vomited from his mouth? That Ikem is his first son. And we can do nothing about it. And we should get it into our thick skull. What the fuck are you, Father? Listen, and listen really good, Father. From this moment, there will be no peace in this palace. Let me repeat myself again to this bloody fool. There will be no peace in this palace. Not while I'm still alive. Nobody will be crowned the Isiaka. There will be no coronation in this palace. No jubilation. No laughter at all. Not when I am still alive. Mark my words.
Yes. Is that supposed to be a threat?
It is not a threat. It is a promise.
Of course, a big one.
And I'm dead serious about it. Excuse me. Nothing will go on in this palace. It's a promise. And if you want to take it as a threat, you take it.
A butterfly that calls himself a bird.
All birds are birds. Are you serious? I never knew I had a son. Until today. He proved himself worthy. So he has grown into a man as to challenge his father and speak his mind. Hey! I was able to see him as a baby, you know, the cry baby.
Well, Mother, DK has changed. He's out for good.
Hey! Yes, Mom, she's right. You know, DK has gone to face the battle. And all we can do is to support him and stand by him.
Oh, Mamo. We must surely stand by him. Especially me, I will stand by my son. He's not just fighting for his right, he's fighting for our comfort as well, our pleasure. Eh? But how come you know all this and you didn't let me in?
Well, Mother, he said you've done enough. We thought to ourselves that you've really done a whole lot for us, so we decided to take it up from where you stopped.
Yes, she's right. Mom, do you know at some point I was scared that maybe DK would just, you know, back down and start crying like the crybaby that he is. But I was so surprised he could like stand up and then speak. Oh my God.
Please, where is he? We need to celebrate him.
He should be somewhere within the palace.
Let's go and see him.
Mommy, please, we need to make sumptuous meal so that everybody can enjoy. I can't wait.
Fighting all the time. Now we go be the heir to the throne. Now we go be the heir to the throne. Now we go be the heir to the throne. Can fighting solve this problem? Now we go be the heir to the throne. We go be the.
My friends, the war has just begun. But you know what? I am not afraid. I know you. I have faith in you. I'm a money.
They know the prince in me, but they don't know Ikem. I'm not scared of war.
My prince. My prince, you see, the battle is beyond the palace. This battle is beyond the palace. Instigators, vultures are everywhere, working tirelessly to dethrone your father and take over the palace. The controversy is very, very much. They want to divert power. Even those in the palace who think they are together don't even know about the evil plot.
Are you saying that this war is beyond the royal household?
See, my prince, those who wine and dine with the king are up against him. One face is not clear, but he is the arrowhead of the plot. His face is not clear. The deal with him.
It is obvious, very, very obvious. And this is exactly what we, the cabinet members, should criticize. We cannot sit and allow the king to impose a total stranger on us as a son. And we are seated doing nothing. We have to do something. We can't sit without doing anything. We will not allow such.
Oh no. The king had wife who left to him before he was crowned a king. So I got time here now.
The king had a wife.
Yes, that left to him. Then, before he was crowned.
Let me ask. The woman in question, did she bear him a child, a son, if I may be specific? Ichienduka, in anywhere, are you aware, or were you aware that she was pregnant for our king before she left him? What are we talking about? I mean, what are we talking about? There is nothing, no proof to show that this very boy now that is imposing himself as a prince is bloodly connected to our king. Nowhere. What are we saying?
Now, excuse me. The boy is old enough to be his son.
Is that what you're saying?
Yes.
Meaning?
No, it's right. Both of us did not know if that boy is king's son. The calamity that will fall on us if this goes wrong, none of us will escape it.
This is exactly what I am trying to avoid. We all know our prince, the rightful prince. We saw the mother with his pregnancy. We know when she gave birth to him. So what are we talking about? We know the right thing.
That is exactly my point. Yes. I am happy, you know, when the real prince was born. I have been keeping quiet all this while, believing the king will change and do the right thing. But from all indication, he has refused to budge.
My queen, you never told us that you are coming.
Oh no, I heard everything you all said. Ichenduka, you have been an Ichie as long as my husband has been king in this kingdom.
Yes.
As a father, can you hide something from your wife and children, especially your wife? Oh, no answer. My own husband hid something like a child from me and never told me anything until now. This impostor surfaced from nowhere. Let me remind all of you
the king, my husband, is hiding something from each and every one of us. So as he cheers, do something. Only for the boy to come from nowhere. And he wants to crown him as the prince of this kingdom. And how will I know? You as an Iche that has been in this kingdom, are you aware?
No, I'm a Mumbadi, me and Bonwa, and I'm WAZICO TV.
The mother was pregnant.
When?
I'll get to Barcelona.
So you're responsible for this.
Hey. So what I'm saying?
Hello, boss.
Opaka, wait till that happen. You didn't sleep.
I'm just coming out from Onu's compound now. The queen and the elders are having meeting.
I will say tomato there inside basket.
Yes, boss. The pictures and the record are here intact in my phone. Yes, boss.
Return to base.
Okay, I should return to the base. Boss, him and I had to come out of the mouth. I had to come out of the mouth. You know now.
Return to base.
What's really going on? Does it mean someone or some people are tracking our queen? But that face doesn't seem as if he's from this community. Well, what's my business? Let me hurry up and rush our house.
Why you want to destroy the kingdom? Why? Guinea kind mereki, oh no. Guinea kind mereki, our queen.
Yeah, boss, we are neat. We are neat. As I talk to you now, they my farm, I weave grass for where my tomato dey, but tomato dey inside basket. She don't know words. No problem, I'll give you feedback. My boss. Ogandoga. Ta, twale for you, Baba. Yes. Now you know, they do the work well. I dare, Baba.
What is my name?
Prince DK, aka Abia Station.
What is my name?
Prince DK, aka Abia Station.
I can't hear you.
Prince DK, aka Abia Station.
Make sure no idiots. Now you all should listen to me. Henceforth, you must obey me in this palace. Am I understood?
Yes, my friend.
Henceforth, you must follow my instructions. Follow my rules and regulations in this palace. Be it maid, gas, whoever you are. This is a new era. I'm a fresh boy. So anything I say must stand in this palace. What is my name?
Prince DK, aka Abia Station.
I can't hear you.
Prince DK, aka Abia Station.
I can't hear you.
Prince DK, aka Abia Station.
Now listen. Any one of you who thinks you cannot obey me, respect me, or follow my instructions, should go inside there right now. Pack whatever belongs to the idiots, and then leave the palace this minute.
My friends, you know say this instruction no be for me.
because of these people where they are. Because me now, for inside kitchen are there.
You shut up your mouth. This instructions goes to everybody, be it the maid, the palace, and you, motherfucker. What is my name? Name.
aka Abia State Son.
What is my name?
Prince DK aka Abia State Son.
Shut up. In fact, go down. Anamano, slap this idiot.
My prince.
Now, this instruction goes to everybody. Be it this idiot here, you, or you. If you cannot respect me, you leave right now.
But my prince, you know, say me, I no follow for servants. I know they stand for gates. I know they stand for here. Now for inside kitchen at the day. If I can't go now, who can they cook food where everybody go to chop?
Shut up! Go down! Fast! Go down now, right now. Deal with this man. Deal with him. Give her what you want. The Jones. Go. My friend, go down. What is my name?
Prince DK aka Abia State Son.
I can't hear you.
Prince DK aka Abia State Son.
I can't hear you.
Prince DK aka Abia State Son.
What is my name?
Prince DK aka Abia State Son.
What is my name?
Prince DK aka Abia State Son.
What is my name?
Prince DK aka Abia State Son.
What is my name?
Prince DK aka Abia State Son.
What is my name?
Prince DK aka Abia State Son.
What is my name?
Prince DK aka Abia State Son.
Come here, my friend. What is my name?
Prince DK aka Abia State Son.
What is my name?
Prince DK aka Abia State Son.
What is my name?
Prince DK aka
Come here. Come back here. Are you mad? What is my name? Get out. Pick up. Come. What is my name? Deal with this man thoroughly.
Hey!
You are dead.
Hey!
And what is the meaning of this? What is the meaning of this madness?
Doings. Father, this is a new era. It is my time to shine. It is the time for the prince, Abia State first son. This is my era. If you look around, you will see that the kingdom is quiet, it's calm, very, very sluggish. The people need action. They need action. That is where I fit in. I am here to give the kingdom action. So it is the action time.
Or you think you can do whatever you like in my own palace? You are grown and you should know that. At your age, I've done the needful. You should be in your own family with your own wife and children. I built this house with my own hard-earned money. And you should respect that fact.
You lie, Father. You lie. This is my inheritance. I am a born prince with authority.
I don't want to place any curse on you.
Nothing will work. Nothing will work on me. I am here to change everything. Ago Trumbe. Get out. Leave this place this minute. You are no more welcomed in this palace.
Come back here.
If you come back here, you know what to do. John Collins, stand at the back of the king and watch over him. This is a new era. The man here, you see the way you're looking? You're looking like a king. German king. John Collins, take care of him. I got home, man. If I see you here again,
Get out of my sight.
Leave my presence immediately before I do what I will regret.
He's even deaf and dumb.
This is just the beginning. This is just the beginning. We are winning this fight. In fact, we are already champions. Right?
Where is my beloved son?
Mother.
The true prince of the kingdom.
My beloved mother.
Come give your mother a warm hug.
Mother, you look so happy today.
Who wouldn't be happy? With everything happening and the victory on our side, I am so happy.
You can say that again, mother.
I want to see your father in the throne. You should have seen the way he sat there like Wolu. Thank you so much. This is what I have been expecting from you. Action, action, action.
That is why I am your action prince, your action son. I have magic powers. Mother, this is just the beginning. Okay? I have plans. Big plans towards that useless boy. By the time he comes back to this palace, I personally would disgrace him and then march him out of this palace completely.
Mom.
Don't know me.
But how did you have all this planned out? Within the shortest period of time?
Let me tell you. I overheard him talking with father the other day. He told father that he wants to go and see one of his useless uncles. And then he will be there for some time and come back for him to be crowned. Can you imagine?
That should be in his dream. Joseph the dreamer, please.
I'm telling you.
A big joke. Okay, no problem. We are waiting for him to come back. A very big joke. Let him come back and see the action prince in action. Double.
The Brits.
Uday.
But mother, what if father had already called him and told him not to return?
It's not possible. You know why? I have changed father's SIM card. He cannot communicate with anybody and nobody can communicate with father. No network at all. He cannot call anybody and nobody can call him.
You did all that?
Trust me, mother.
Hey!
Trust me.
Do you know we need to celebrate him? You are indeed the true prince, the only prince of this kingdom.
Yes, now.
Oh! Agunaya. Ezenaya. Abia State first son.
Who they breathe?
Oh, where they?
Who they breathe?
Oh, where they?
I feel good.
Da 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 da.
I feel good. Da 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 da. I feel good. Da 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 da.
Why are you fighting this? Stop.
You are going to see the other side of me. By the time I am done with both of you, even your local government chairman will not be able to recognize you. Have you gone bananas? Have you lost your sense of timing? What gave you the guts?
Don't mind these stupid girls. They are busy passing information to that imposter prince. It's the gods for me. Yes.
No, my princess. I'm innocent of this act.
Will you shut your mouth? Shut up!
What did you say?
You are what? Will you shut up? Your face. Shut it!
You want me to call them to come and tell you how you've been spreading rumors? Oh, I see.
So you prefer the prince to me? To us? Really? On your knees?
On your knees!
Sis, I don't think you should worry yourself about this idiot. Let me help you and deal with them. Yes, let me help you. I know how to deal with them better.
No, I'm innocent.
You're innocent. So you still have not to say you're innocent. Well, you're now face the ground, the two of you. Now! I said face the ground! You're still looking at me. You're still looking at me. It's yours. I will deal with you. I will deal with you. Should I give them more? More? I said shake. Not speak anything. See my clothes. It's yours. Fools. My princess. I said keep quiet. And don't try and speak in tongues there. Don't try it. Keep quiet. Keep quiet. Okay, my princess. Okay. Rubbish. Let me see who comes to save you this time around. You don't want to keep quiet? You think you're dealing with your boyfriend?
I'm tired of everything happening in this palace. They keep flunking me in every slightest mistake. I don't know what I did to them. I am tired. I am tired.
Naza, yours is better. At least you have parents. Look at me. I've been in this palace for a very long time. I don't have anywhere to go. I don't have mother. I don't have father. All my life belongs to this palace. I can take anything just to survive. Unlike you, you still have your parents. Maybe you can just go.
I wish I can go back home. I can't. My parents barely feed well. I don't know what else to do. If I go back home now, I will become a burden to my family. I'm tired of staying here. I feel like running away. These people are dealing with me. I'm tired. I'm tired. They've been treating my life. What did I do? Look at what they did to me.
It's okay.
Look at how they flogged me as if I stole from them. If they are tired of my services, why can't they say it? Why are they suffering me this way?
Naza, it's okay. You see, I hope one day there will be something good for us out there. We can remain servant all the rest of our lives. One day we will become something. Okay?
Why can't I become it now? I'm tired of this palace. Just look at my leg. Look at my body. What did I do?
I was flogged as well, but what can I do? Please, stop crying. At least Prince Ikem is on our side. Okay?
My son, listen and listen good. Makana ito onti nani yenu ohidanda. Maka tupuani afundi mo. Your father married your mother. He paid her dowry. And that is the main tradition accepted generally in Igbo land. That is why I allow you to go and be with him.
But, Uncle, was my father a king before then or after?
Well, your father was a farmer and a hunter in this village. A poor one at that. He was well known and good at his work. After he met your mother and asked her hand in marriage, she accepted him and they were in love with each other. Not until one day he was caught trying to steal a tuber of yam. In Finland, he was contracted to work. He was beaten, banished alongside with your mother. I could not do anything as a young man I was. That is the tradition. They left this village in shame to his village. There he suffered and barely eat 1 square meal a day. Your mother could not bear it, so she left and came back to me. Unknowing to her, she was pregnant of you. Are you listening? When she discovered that, she tried to reach your father, but he was nowhere to be found. Years later, she gave birth and she died. I took over from her, and the rest you already know of. Back then, your father was nobody.
Okay, uncle. But did my father return my mother's bride pride before she died?
No. No one came to ask of that. But your mother was the first wife.
So why is my father finding this difficult to explain to his family?
I said, well, maybe he did not want to remember his ugly past. That young man went through hell in his days of his youth. So, all can you say, Kate, on the nine? He went away than that.
Boss.
What do we have here?
Boss, she said she's your visitor. That is why.
Can you explain to me what is going on here? Why are men everywhere with guns in this palace?
The future queen of this land. This is a new era. Yes. Sit. The only reason I would want to have any conversation with you is because you're royalty. Sit if you want Abia State first son to talk with you. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for you just noticing that you have been dealing or hanging around with an imposter as a friend.
Who are you referring to as an imposter?
Ikem, of course. He is an imposter. An imposter that is regarding and referring to himself as the prince of this land. Whereas you are sitting before the real Isiaka of this kingdom. Abia State first son, one. Listen, Ikem cannot take care of you. As a matter of fact, I have placed him to where he belongs. Stay with me, for I will give you comfort and protection.
I wish to speak to your father, the king.
You want to speak with an old man, a sick, old fool that is lying down on the sick bed. You cannot speak with him. But I can give you the honor, I can give you the privilege to speak with the queen, my mother. Because you are the future queen. You're my wife to be. So you can only communicate with the Queen because she only listens or attends to important visitors like you.
I see. It is obvious that I am at the wrong place. Say me well to your father.
Where are you going? Hold on. I said I would take care of you and give you protection, and you're walking out of me, the crown prince of this land. This is my era. Nobody can take what rightfully belongs to me. I am Abia State first son.
Yes! My husband is not going anywhere. Doctor, how did you get into the palace, let alone into the king's room? What are you doing here?
Mom, I was the person that called her. I did. I called her to come over because Daddy's sickness is serious. I made sure I sneaked her into this palace without everybody seeing her.
Shut up. Shut your mouth. You did what? You have chosen to be my enemy. And I will treat you as such. I don't spare my enemies.
Madam, what wrong did she do? She's only trying to save your husband's life.
Hey, doctor, it's okay. All right? Calm. Take it easy. This is a family issue. And you are a family doctor. So tell me, how is he and what did you discover?
He is down with stroke, and this time is very, very serious. He needs to be rushed to the hospital.
Oh, I see. Yes. The thing is that he is on traditional medication, herbs. So let's just watch him. At least give him like 2 or 3 days and see how he will react to it. But if the condition is still the same, then